Yeah. Under optical discs, under CDs itself, we have different types of CDs and DVDs. Okay, under optical, these are the different types under optical discs. First one is recordable CD and DVD. Both are recordable. You have to write like this whenever you are writing recordable CD hyphen R. Okay, hyphen means this symbol. This symbol is called as hyphen minus. It's a minus symbol, and also it is called as hyphen. Okay, in computer language. So yeah, this is recordable CD. What is the use of this? Even in the on the CDs when you buy, you can see it has written CD hyphen R, and here on the DVD also it will be like this. The use of how it works, the things, the usual things, you can store whatever you want, like text, some documents, word files, images, music files, songs, videos, anything you want you can save on these CDs or DVDs. But there is one disadvantage, I can say, or the actual property of recordable CD is, you can write once, and you can't erase it. Once you have written on it, you can't delete or you can't erase it. Okay, that is the disadvantage of recordable CD. But you can write on it again and again. Write means copying the things onto this CD or DVD. Okay, this is recordable one. It will keep on recording the things, it will keep on saving the things on it. Okay, again and again. Inside the CD also, you will be having circles like this. If you observe properly the back side of the CD, you can find these circles. It will be a light in color. You can observe it whenever you get CD, and see it. The things whatever we save, that will be saved on these tracks. These circles are called as tracks on the CD, and the things whatever you save will be saved on these tracks. Okay, inside the CD. So this is what recordable CD is. You can't, the thing is, it is used as multi-session compact disc. Multi-session means you can write or you can copy the contents on it again and again. Okay, multi means more than one. More than once you can write or copy the things onto this recordable CD, but you cannot erase the data whatever you have saved on this CD or DVD. Again, the difference between these two is CD will be with lesser size, like 700 MB, but DVD will be like 4.7 GB. Okay, the size of CD and DVD will be different. Okay, let me move to next one. Next type of optical disc is rewritable CD. Okay, the previous one was recordable. Next type is rewritable. Rewritable, you can see in the short form, you can write as CD hyphen RW. RW stands for rewritable. Even the same kind of DVD also exists. DVD RW. RW means rewritable. Okay, the difference between recordable and rewritable is the data saved on this CDs or DVDs can be erased also. Okay, that is what the difference. You can erase the previous data which is saved on the CD or DVD, and you can add more data into it. Even you can delete the things whichever you have added previously. Okay, on the CDs when you buy, you can see whether it little bit high, more cost, higher price compared to recordable one. Okay, so on the CD you can see thing, DVD RW, CD RW. Again the size differs. It can store up to 700 MB of data if it is a compact disc CD, CD RW, and if it is DVD RW, can save up to 4.7 GB. Okay, For to copy the things to this rewritable CD or DVD, we need to go for a software. This is just an example. Neuro Express I have showed here the screenshot of it, but there are many uh, CD writing softwares available. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can download it and you can use it. Okay, so it requires a software which we use to burn means burning is a term we use when we have to write or copy something to the CD. The process of copying some data to the CD is called as burning. Okay, you burn the CD. You burn the CD means you are copying something to the CD or DVDs. Okay, this is what rewritable. The difference between recordable and rewritable is on recordable it allows multiple times of copying, but it doesn't allow to erase. But rewritable allows you to erase it and rewrite it again. Can erase something and also you can copy it again. Okay, so this is what rewritable CD. Let me move to next type. Next type of optical disc is Blu-ray disc. This is the biggest sized CD, you can say, or DVDs. Actually it is not CD, it is a DVD format. uh, this Blu-ray discs are DVD formats, and it has higher capacity than the normal DVDs. Normal DVDs we have starting from 4 GB, right? But it it is bigger than those normal DVDs. So Blu-ray discs capacity is 100 GB. Why we need that much storage capacity? Uh, these discs are used specially for, sorry, these discs are used specially for saving higher end high definition games. Okay, whichever gaming CDs you buy, like PlayStation CDs and higher, like any kind of higher end games like PUBG and now what is that? I'm not getting any names of games right now. Okay, you might have played many kind of shooting games and all, right? So those kind of higher end games, high definition 3D games, all these things can be saved on the Blu-ray disc. For mainly for gaming, it is used. Okay, this is what Blu-ray discs. So these were till Blu-ray discs. We are the different types of optical discs. Okay, first storage device we saw was a hard disk that will be permanently inside the computer. Next starts optical disk. Under optical disk we have compact disk. A compact Under compact discs we have two types, CD and DVDs. Okay, and then its types are recordable CD, rewritable CD, and Blu-ray disc. So these are the three types of optical discs. Next type of storage device. Next type of storage device is flash drive. Flash drive is nothing but pen drives. Okay, pen drives are called as flash drives, and you might have used it already. You have seen many types of pen drives. Many it comes on different designs from different companies, okay, with different sizes. So this pen drive you have to plug in to the CPU or to your laptop onto the USB port. This is called USB port, where you have to plug in the pen drives. It looks like this, the place where you have to put the pen drive. This is a laptop picture. On the laptop you can find at the either ends, you can find these kind of slots. This is called USB port. Okay, USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. This is the place where you have to insert the pen drive onto your laptops. On the CPU, you have both the places, at the front side of the CPU also, at the back side of the CPU also, you can see USB ports. whenever you want to use pen drives to your computers or laptop, you need to find some ports like this. You have to find some USB ports like this, then only you can use, you can insert pen drive.